I'll call you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach us about break statement. Here, let's go ahead and look at a break statement. So the break statements usually occur in a loop system. So whenever the loop is executing, you might want to stop at a point. Maybe you give a condition whenever it reaches to this point, how many seconds, how many hours, at this value or that, this should stop or this should terminate. Okay? Or if it sees something like this or like that, please go ahead and execute this. So when you have such conditions, use called break statement. So it can break out of a loop. Now I'm going to show you condition. Let's go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to break out of a loop. Maybe we'll move from 20 to 50, and when it gets to 45 or when it gets to 30, it should break out and stop. How can you be able to do such a thing? Let's go ahead and start with let's say int x equal to, let's say 20 for semicolon, and you go ahead and create. Let's go ahead and use a while loop. So I'm going to say y x is less than or equal to 50. Y x is less than or equal to 50. 10. You go ahead and say out and send the value of x equal to x. Alright, and the end line for a semicolon, 10, x increment. So now if we run this code, now check out, it's going to move from 20 to 50. Is that also, alright, see that? Now I want to break out whenever it reaches 35. It should stop. How can we do that? You go ahead and use a break statement right in there. And to break it, use a break statement. I want to say if. So I'm going to say if x is greater than or equal to 35. If x is greater than or equal to 35, or you can just make that to be less than, simple, make that to be less than 36. Okay, 36 is going to stop at 35. You see that? Now, you go ahead and give your condition, and I want to say break, and it should going to break out. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So, you see that? If x is equal to the value of x, 20, and that stops at 36. Alright, so let's put out at 35 to be exactly at 35. Okay. You check it out. So this is how I break out, and I've stopped at this. Okay. So I believe that is this is how you break out. If you really want to use a break statement in C++ programming, I'm gonna teach you how to break out and continue later, okay? But practice with this one first. Try it out on your own system and check it out, and make sure you have something looking good just like this. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.